hope you're having a fantastic day. If you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida. Hi, hello, nice to meet you. I usually do makeup related videos like reviews, tutorials, makeup tips and tricks, and in general lifestyle videos. If you are into that and you're not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the button to subscribe. It's totally free, doesn't cost a penny, doesn't hurt either. Everyone likes a freebie, right? Alright, that being said, let's move on to this video. As you see, I'm wearing an absolute zero of a makeup. I mean, I did my brows, but brows doesn't count, right? Because in this video, I'm gonna be creating the eyeliner makeup look. So this eyeliner look is perfect for the hooded eyes. As you can see, I have super hooded eyes. Eyes looks a bit droopy on the outer corners. So I'm gonna share with you all my tips and tricks on how I do my eyeliner. For this video, I'm gonna use the Mina eyeliner set, my eyeliner, the pen eyeliner kit. What I love about this brand is that it's vegan and it's cruelty free. I absolutely love this little cute packaging. It looks like your pencil box or something like this, so you can just keep it like this. I have in here 5 different eyeliners, 5 different colors: purple, blue, black, white, and yellow. So we're just gonna play with these eyeliners today. What I love about these eyeliners, that is a pen eyeliner. I mentioned this before in my videos. If you're watching my videos, you will know this already. If you're struggling with eyeliner, you are a beginner, or you have a bit of a shaky hand or anything like this, I strongly recommend to get the pen eyeliner rather than getting a liquid eyeliner or a gel eyeliner, you know, when you have it like a little pot or anything like this, purely because you're used to keeping the pen in your hands, so it won't be as difficult to be precise rather than having a gel eyeliner or the liquid eyeliner. Let me know in the comments down below if you would like me to do a proper in-depth, super beginner friendly tutorial and what products best to use and so on, and you know, eyeliner for hooded eyes. Leave a comment down below. I'll make sure to do that, you know, step by step, super slow, no speeding up, no nothing, so you know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, well, let's review quickly these Mina eyeliners because it looks absolutely amazing. Love the packaging, love it is all paper. There's no plastic wraps or anything. Let's just quickly do swatches. So I'm gonna start from the color called 137, the color eyeliner. Love this. Look how cute is it? Looks actually amazing. It's not over liquidy or dripping or anything. Color is intense enough to be seen. As I mentioned, it's a pen eyeliner, so it's super easy to use. You can go as thick or as light as you wish. Love it is liquidy enough to draw easily without any pressure, but yet it's not liquidy that it would be dripping, you know, bleeding through or anything, because look how nicely bent on the hand. Let's take a white shade. This one is called 100, the color pen eyeliner. Once again, looks amazing, super easy to use. Let's take the purple. Purple is called 482, the color pen liner. Another shade I have in here is blue color. We call it 850, the color pen liner. We have one more shade in here, a classic black. We call it 900, the 24-hour pen liner. None of these other ones said 24-hour on, did it? No, only this one says 24-hour. Okay, so I'm sure the first one was the yellow shade that we tried. I'm sure it dried already, so we can see if it's smudge proof or no. So let's just try this. You guys, nothing. Second color we went with white. Am I correct? You guys, this is gonna stay on properly, like I'm proper rubbing. Can you see? Nothing! I'm really impressed. I think without any further ado, let's just create the makeup look then. If you're struggling with the eyeliner, I said this before and I'm gonna say this again, try to rest your hand on your cheek while drawing, you know, or like rest your elbow on a table in front of you or something like that so your hand is stable. I prefer to rest it on my face, so therefore I don't wear foundation if I do eyeliner, because otherwise, you know, my fingers touching my face would just start melting the foundation on and just move it around because of the warmness. So yeah, so that's my tip. I'm gonna start by prepping and priming my eyelids, just because my skin is so oily with my eyelids. So I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in step 1, my favorite one, just a dot, not adding much or anything. Just gonna quickly set it with Conceal and Fix Translucent Lucer by Revolution. Always like to contour my eyelids a little bit just because I have such a good eyes. So I'm just gonna give a little bit definition. So I'm gonna use the Revolution Pro Sculpting Bronzer in Cacao, the same that I'm gonna use for contouring my face later. Taking the E40 brush by Sigma, I'm just gonna go all over my circle motion. For today's eyeliner, I kind of want to try all the shades. I still haven't cleaned this. It all dried. Look at that, guys. It's completely smudge proof. So I'm gonna start from the black one and then we can add the rest. Just gonna go as a normal flick close to the lash line. Okay, so the black part is done. We're gonna add some color because we have it. Because why not? But I mean, you could totally skip it in here. See, my eyes are hooded. Even if I look straight, the eyeliner doesn't bend. Therefore, I have the mirror right in front of me, and then I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm looking straight. Like, I'm not looking down. I'm not looking up. I don't have my eyes super wide open or anything. Because the worst mistake with eyeliner, why it looks wonky and so on, there are a lot of people doing that. They close their eye, so when I close it looks like, oh, perfect straight line, and then they open their eye and it's like, oh shit. You know, so that's the most common mistake. Don't do that. Just open your eyes, because you don't walk with your eyes closed constantly, do you? You walk with your eyes open. So try to keep your eyes the way you would be normally, like open, like just watch straight and then follow that line. Okay, let's add some color. I'm just gonna be adding some blue eyeliner on top of this. I like how these eyeliners are so super pigmented. It totally covers the black line, the blue one. This is amazing. These eyeliners are just so easy to work with, you guys. Wow. Okay, let's add a bit more color maybe. What do you think? I think we should add a little bit of a purple. So I'm just gonna go out the corner. Okay, let's apply some mascara and we're gonna be done with the top part. I want to use this white and yellow as well, so I'm gonna use on the inner eye corner just in here, because why not, right? I'm just, you know, playing around because I can, just because I have these. For the mascara today, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna quickly do the face and I'm gonna come back to you to finish off this part with the white and yellow liner. As you can see, I did the face, I mean foundation, contour and so on. Still got two shades that I haven't tried and I really want to try, because this is a brand new brand to me, this Mina. I never tried this brand and I'm super impressed by this. By the way, I washed my hands. This is still on, so soap and water doesn't clean this off. Just saying if you're wondering. Right, let's try this yellow and white. So I think I'm gonna use these two shades for inner eye corner. Just do kind of like a cat eye, so let's just do a yellow first. Let's add a bit of a white color. Okay, let's apply a bit of mascara and we're done. And the look is complete. What do you guys think? So yeah guys, what do you think of this makeup look? As you see, it was super easy to create. These Mina eyeliners, you guys, I literally couldn't recommend this more. Not only the quality of the eyeliners is super pigmented, extremely easy to use, it doesn't bleed, doesn't crease. Like, my eyes are super hooded, so this part with some eyeliners tends to crease, to like crumble, you know, have a little fall out or bleed if it's too liquidy. Did it happen in these? Another thing, it's a pen, it's extremely easy to use, so if you're a beginner, you're struggling with eyeliner, I literally couldn't recommend this product more, you guys. I am surprised how easy it is to use, and it's extremely pigmented. I mean, like, I used the blue liner on the top of a black and it covered the black color, you know what I mean? It's so pigmented. I just noticed that I actually wearing all these colors except the purple, like, I matched my outfit. Look at that. Way I'm gonna try to show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this like skirt, short skirt thing from Zara, and then this top from Primark. I'm actually matching these colors, you guys. You see this? This is actually very funny. Yeah, so far I'm gonna show you that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, you found it helpful. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures. I absolutely love to see you recreating my makeup looks. Makes my day, you guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to press a thumbs up. So important. You're gonna majorly support my channel without costing you like a penny. If you're gonna hit that button to subscribe, I think it's in here. This is gonna support my channel even more. It doesn't cost a penny. It's not painful. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this makeup look, of these eyeliners, if you tried it already, or you wanting to try, or if I should do this video super in-depth for hooded eyes eyeliner tutorial and like different looks for hooded eyes. And yeah, I shall see you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye. Ciao for now.